Hey guys, Mrs. Saucetta. I'm here to show you how to complete your work. If you missed either 112 or 113, depending on if you're an A day or B day, we're going to do our slip, slide, collide assignment. So when you click on the assignment, it says number 1, we're going to watch a brain pop and complete the quiz. And number 2, we're going to complete the fill-in the blank worksheet that's attached. So number 1, brain pop and complete the quiz. So to go to brain pop, you go to your Launchpad and just type in brain pop. Once you're at brain pop, you're going to type in tectonic plates. You're going to type in tectonic plates or plate tectonics. You're going to click on the video, plate tectonics. So go ahead and watch the movie and then complete the quiz on your own. And one thing I want to go over with you is kind of what the video talks about. So after you watch the video, you take the quiz so you can think about these 3 main plate boundaries. So we have 3 main plate boundaries. First one is divergent, second one is convergent, third one is transform. So when we're talking about divergent plate boundaries, we're talking about our plate tectonics that are moving away from each other. So if you put your hands together like this and you move them apart, you can say divergent, diverging plates, diverging plates. So diverging plates are when 2 tectonic plates move apart. Our second type of plate boundary would be converging plates. When the plates move towards each other, they converge, converging plates. Sometimes if you have 2 continental plates that crash into each other, they converge. We call this a converging collision, and they make mountains. Converging collision, we have 2 continental plates crash into each other and make mountains. Sometimes we have an oceanic plate that's more dense than your continental crust, so the oceanic plate will go underneath the continental crust. So we're converging, we're going together, but one plate's going under the other plate, so we call this subduction. Like a subway is underneath the ground, this plate is subducting, it's going underneath the less dense plate. So that's converging subduction. And then our last type of plate boundary is going to be our transform. And this is when you have 2 tectonic plates that slide past each other in opposite directions. Sometimes they get stuck, and then they finally move. It makes a big earthquake. Okay, so you watched the video, you did the quiz, focus specifically on 3 transform, convergent, divergent are 3 boundaries. Once you're done with that, you go back and you click on this worksheet. This is a fill in the blank worksheet, so you're going to have to watch the video instructions here. Click on that for video instructions of how to complete the worksheet. And then here is the link that you're going to use to fill in the blank. So you have to go to this website. So make sure that you watch these instructions on the worksheet before you try to complete it, okay? If you have any questions, comment on the assignment.